In this section, let's learn how to add wallet balance. Okay, for that, you just need to click on Wallet Balance and then Add Balance. Enter the amount that you want to add and then click on Add Balance. So once you click on this, you can see the invoice that is generated. You can choose the payment mode. For now, I'm choosing UPI. Now click on Checkout with Visa Free. I'll just scan this QR code to my phone and I'll make the payment. The payment is processing. Okay, it's done. Now go back to Interakt. Check if the balance is added. So just wait for a minute. If not, just refresh the screen. Okay, the amount will get added. Now to check the invoice. What you can do is you can click on Track Expense, and you can see the invoice here. Okay, the balance is added. You can even download this invoice. You can click on Download, and you can download this invoice.